Okay, I'll power the receiver back up and then give the push buttons a test now and see if I can tune close to the frequency range that I designed for. Again, stray capacitance is the big factor, so hopefully I can be somewhere close. Hey guys, thanks for joining me. You just saw I got the trimmers mounted underneath the receiver on the PC board that I cut. Again, I'm in the manual position at this location. My first pre-select, my second I left open around 790 to 800 kilocycles for a little AM broadcaster. My third preset, another local station, another pre-select, and my final. And then back to manual. So everything seems to be working as designed. Again, you can reference the design spreadsheet that I put together. Just reference the video description for a URL to the spreadsheet if you're interested.
And he has finally found a place. Like an impossibility.
So I think, other than doing a little de-rusting on the speaker frame itself, that concludes the electrical restoration on the Stewart-Warner. I'll post an update once I get the loudspeaker de-rusted and get that back installed in the cabinet, and we'll take it for one more test drive. Thanks again for following along, folks.
And then you face in your life. I'll thank you. Didn't take a step of faith.